వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు సాయి బండారు సిస్టర్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఇంకా మా ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ప్లీజ్ మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే షేర్ కూడా చేయండి. సో మరి ఈరోజు టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదామా? సో ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ టు స్టాటిస్టిక్స్. So introduction to statistics. So before statistics అనే నేమ్ లేకముందు సో ఓల్డెన్ డేస్లో దాన్ని ఏమని పిలిచేవాళ్ళంటే దే యూస్ టు కాల్ సైన్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్ క్రాఫ్ట్. ఓకేనా, ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ద నేమ్ సైన్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్ క్రాఫ్ట్. And next, the statistics word is derived from Latin word status. Next, German word statistic, and French word statistique. Okay, and next statistics అనే వర్డ్ ఫస్ట్ వచ్చిన ఆర్టికల్ నేమ్ ఏంటంటే ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ యూనివర్సల్ ఎరుడిక్షన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఆర్టికల్. స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ అనే వర్డ్ కనపడిన ఆర్టికల్ ఏంటి? ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ యూనివర్సల్ ఎరుడిక్షన్. అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్. Father of statistics is R.A. Fisher. Okay, so R.A. in the sense what? Reynold A. Fisher. And the next is father of statistics in India is P.C. Mahalanobis. So P.C. Mahalanobis means Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. Okay, so he is the father of world. That means he is a British scientist, he is an Indian scientist. Okay, and the next is National Statistical Day is celebrated at June 29 in the memory of P.C. Mahalanobis' birthday. And the next is World's Statistical Day is celebrated at September 20 in the memory of R.A. Fisher's birthday. Now let us see some of the statistician names and their work towards the stats. Okay, the first one is John Grant of London. He was born in the year 1620 and he passed away in the year 1674, and he was called as a father of vital statistics, not vital statistics. Don't pronounce it as a vital statistics, it is called as vital statistics. Okay, and the next one is James Bernoulli, and his birth was 1654 and death was 1705. That means he passed away in 1705, and his work was theory of probability. And the next statistician Laplace. He was born in the year 1749 and he passed away in the year 1827, and he too did his work in the same concept, theory of probability. Okay, next Pascal. He was born in the year 1623 and he passed away in the year 1662, and his work was on proper properties of coefficient of binomial expansion. Okay, his work was on properties of coefficient of binomial expansion. And the next is Gauss. Okay, so he was born in the year 1777 and he passed away in the year 1855. And his work was on principles of least square and normal law of errors. Principles of least squares and normal law of errors. And the next is Carl Pearson. So you all know that he did work on what? Correlations, isn't it? Yeah. Carl Pearson, he was born in the year 1857 and he passed away in the year 1936. And his work was on correlation analysis and chi-square. This is called as chi-square. This symbol is chi, chi. Chi-square test for goodness of fit. Okay. And the next is W.S. Gossett. His full name is William Selly. Okay. And his birth was in 1876 and he passed away in the year 1937. And his work was on the student's T distribution. Student T distribution of small samples. Okay, now the student T distribution of small samples. The small samples is also called as exact samples. Exact samples. Okay. And the next is Raja Tudarmal. He was born in the year 1556 and passed away in the year 1605 AD. Okay. And the next is his work was on, he collected good records of land and agricultural statistics. Okay, this person collected what? Good records of land and agricultural statistics. And the next is P.C. Mahalanobis. P.C. Mahalanobis means, you know, before we have discussed, his name is Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. He was born in the year 1893 and passed away in the year 1972. And his work was on sample survey. And he is a founder of ISI founder. Okay, he is a founder of ISI, CSO, NSSO, IIPS. CSO in the sense Central Statistical Organization in the year 1951. And NSSO means National Sample Survey Organization in 1950. And the next is IIPS. IIPS in the sense International Institute for Population Science in the year 1956. Okay, so this is about today's lesson. So thank you for watching our video, and if you want to know the latest updates of our videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.